Hello everyone, I am Sir Kenneth and welcome sa ating Pre-Calculus Lecture Series. Ang pag-uusapan natin sa video na to ay ang standard equation of parabola with vertex at the origin. We will be talking about four orientations. Magsisimula muna tayo dun sa ating unang standard equation which is y squared is equal to 4ax. Ito yung ating equation ng ating parabola that opens to the right or opening to our positive x-axis. So this is our equation. Our parabola that opens to the right will look like this. Again, bumubuka siya towards the right or towards our positive x-axis. Ang pangalawang orientation ng ating parabola ay may standard equation na y squared is equal to negative 4ax. Ang pinagkaiba niya lang sa opening to the right is this is negative, ito naman ay positive. Ito yung ating equation ng ating parabola if it opens to the left or it is opening to our negative x-axis. Ang ating parabola that is opening to the left will look like this. Ang orientation niya ay papunta sa ating kaliwa and then it opens to our negative x-axis. Then for our third one, we have our x squared is equal to positive 4ay. Ito naman ang standard equation natin kapag ang ating parabola is opening upwards or towards our positive y-axis. Kapag ganito ang equation natin, our parabola will look like this. It opens upwards towards our positive y-axis. And lastly, we have x squared is equal to negative 4ay. It is opening downwards. And ang direction niya is towards our negative y-axis. Ganito yung itsura ng ating parabola. Opening downwards towards the negative y-axis. Para mas madalian tayo sa pag-identify ng orientation ng ating parabola, bibigyan ko kayo ng trick. Tingin tayo sa ating Cartesian plane. This is our positive x-axis. This is our negative x-axis. Sa taas naman ay positive y. Sa baba ay negative y-axis. Kung titignan natin yung equation ng ating parabola, yung isa ay naka-raise to 2, meron tayong exponent na 2, tapos yung isa naman ay x lang o kaya naman y lang. Ang tip ko sa inyo, tignan nyo na lang yung variable na hindi naka-raise sa 2. Tignan natin yung walang exponent. Kagaya nito, yung variable natin na walang exponent ay si x. Kaya automatic yung parabola natin, it opens towards the x-axis. Hanapin na lang natin kung positive x or negative x. At ano yung makapagsabi nun? Yung sign na nandito. Kapag positive siya, it opens to the right, going towards positive x-axis. Kapag negative naman siya, going towards negative x-axis or opening to the left. Kasi kung titignan natin yung opening upwards saka opening downwards, yung variable na hindi naka-raise sa 2 is yung y. Kaya sigurado tayo na yung mga equation na to, it opens towards the y-axis. Pero dahil positive yung nandito, it opens towards the positive y-axis or upwards. Pero dahil negative to, it opens towards the negative y-axis or opens downwards. Again, titignan lang natin yung variable na hindi naka-raise sa 2, tapos titignan natin yung sign nila kung positive or negative. With that, masasabi na natin kung saan nag-open yung ating parabola. With that said, pag-usapan naman natin yung parts ng ating parabola. For example, meron tayong parabola that opens to the right. Yung tinatawag natin na vertex, sinasabi natin na siya ay nasa origin. Hayaan natin na ito ay maging letter V sa ating Cartesian plane. Ito yung point kung saan nag-change yung direction ng ating parabola. Kasi dito, pataas siya, pero dito naman sa baba, pagdaan niya sa vertex, pababa na siya. Kaya that is our V. Yun yung ating vertex. For this discussion, lahat ng vertex natin ay nasa origin pa muna. Next, meron tayong fixed point na letter F. Ang tawag natin sa kanya ay focus. Yung fixed point natin, makikita natin kung saan nag-o-open ang ating parabola. Since we are opening to the right, yung focus, yung F natin, ay to the right ng ating vertex. Kapag ang parabola natin is opening towards the left, then ang focus natin ay makikita natin dito sa left ng ating vertex. Kaya importante na malaman muna natin kung saan nag-open yung ating parabola. That is for our fixed point, yung focus. Next, proceed tayo sa ating principal axis. Ang principal axis, this is a line, hindi siya point, at dinadaanan niya both yung vertex tsaka yung focus. Looking at this yellow line, this is our principal axis. Again, yung principal axis is the line that passes through our vertex and focus. Ang susunod na point naman natin is LR, which is the latus rectum. This latus rectum, meron tayong dalawang points sa ating parabola. Para mahanap natin siya, manggagaling tayo dito sa ating focus na F, and then yung distansya niya is perpendicular sa ating principal axis. Kaya kung nandito ulit yung ating focus na F, ibig sabihin, pataas ako, and then, pababa. Yung point na tinamaan dito sa taas, tsaka dito sa baba, sila yung ating latus rectum. So let this be our LR1, latus rectum 1, and LR2, latus rectum 2. Then lastly, ang pag-uusapan naman natin ay ang directrix. Ang directrix, this is also a line. Yung distance mula kay vertex hanggang kay focus, siya rin yung distance dun sa line ng ating directrix. Pag-uusapan natin yung measurements later on. Ang directrix, this is perpendicular with our principal axis. Ibig sabihin, they form a right angle. Now, pag-usapan naman natin yung ating distance. Ito yung standard equation ng ating parabola that opens to the right. Kung mapansin natin, meron tayong 4ax. Yung letter A na to, that is the distance between the vertex and our focus. Tapos, kaya siya 4a, kasi yung pagitan between our two latus rectum, this is equal to 4a. Kaya kapag hinati natin sila dito sa ating focus, the distance is only 2a, mula kay focus hanggang kay LR1, and then ang distance din mula kay focus hanggang kay LR2 is also 2a. And then yung distance mula kay vertex hanggang dun sa line sa ating directrix, this is also a. Kaya napaka-importante nung value ng a dun sa ating standard equation. Again, yung a, that is the distance between our vertex and the focus. Tapos, yung distance between our focus and LR is 2a. Tapos, ang distance mula kay vertex hanggang dun sa pinakamalapit na point kay directrix is also a. Yun yung mga kailangan nating tandaan. Now, let us proceed with our first example para magamit natin yung mga konsepto na pinag-usapan natin ngayon. Doing our first example, we have to plot the graph of the parabola with the standard equation y squared is equal to 8x. For our first step, aalamin muna natin yung orientation ng ating parabola. Siya ba ay opening to the right, to the left, upwards, or downwards? Ang titignan natin, as per my tip earlier, ay yung variable na walang exponent. Kaya invalid na agad si y dahil meron siyang exponent na 2, kaya ang titignan natin ay yung ating x. With this, yung parabola natin is already opening towards our x-axis, either positive x or negative x. Kaya ang titignan na lang natin ay yung sign ng ating coefficient. We have our 8 here. Since this is positive, ang parabola natin, this is opening towards the positive x-axis and that is opening towards the right. Kaya ang titignan lang natin again ay yung variable na walang exponent. On our case, si x, tapos titignan natin yung sign ng number na kasama niya. Since positive, we are opening towards our positive x-axis and that is to the right. That will be our technique para mas madali nating malaman yung orientation ng ating parabola. Ngayong alam na natin yung kanyang orientation, the standard equation of a parabola that is opening to the right is y squared is equal to 4ax. Kailangan na lang natin gawin yung ating given na equation into this form. Working dun sa ating given value, okay na tayo dun sa ating left side kasi pareho na silang y squared. Ang kailangan ko na lang gawin ay yung 8 ay maging 4a. Para magawa natin yun, maglalagay ako ng 4 dito as per our standard equation. Tapos yung coefficient natin na 8, i-divide ko lang siya by 4. So this is 8 divided by 4. Tapos we have our x. Ginawa natin to so that we can produce yung 4 na pareho sa ating standard equation. And then dahil naglabas tayo ng 4 dito, yung ating coefficient na 8, we have to divide it also by 4. Kaya our equation, this will look like y squared is equal to yung 4, tapos yung nasa loob ng ating parenthesis, we have 8 divided by 4, that is simply 2 and then our x. Ngayon, yung equation natin is already on our standard form. Y squared is equal to 4a. Ang a natin is 2 and then multiplied to x. Let me write down our a, that is simply equal to 2. Ngayong nakuha na natin siya, we can plot our graph. Again, ito yung standard equation when our vertex is at the origin. Kaya punta tayo sa ating Cartesian plane. Let's start at our origin. Ito yung ating vertex. Dahil alam na natin na yung parabola natin is opening to the right, yung ating susunod na point, which is the focus, ay nasa right ng ating vertex. Kaya ang titignan natin ay yung direction na to. From our discussion earlier, yung distansya between our vertex and focus is just equal to a. Kaya kung ang vertex natin ay nasa origin, kailangan kong umusod ng 2 units to the right kasi ang parabola natin is opening to the right para makuha natin yung ating focus. That is why our focus is at this point, 2 units to the right of our vertex. Kasi again, the distance between our vertex and our focus is just equal to a. With that said, ang susunod na part ng ating parabola ay yung ating principal axis. Ang principal axis, this is a line that passes through our vertex and focus. Kaya kung gagawa tayo ng line na tatama sa ating vertex at ating focus, that is just simply at our positive x-axis. Kaya nandito ang ating principal axis. Then para sa ating susunod na point, we have our latus rectum. Kung ang distansya between our vertex and focus is a, ang distansya naman between our focus and our latus rectum is equal to 2a. Meron tayo sa taas, tsaka meron din tayong 2a sa baba. And as a note, yung distansya ng ating LR is always perpendicular dun sa ating principal axis. Kaya kung makikita natin yung ating LR ay pataas tsaka pababa. Para makuha natin yung ating LR, again, our A is 2. Then yung distance mula sa focus kay LR na 2A is just equal to 2 times ang A natin is 2, that is equal to 4 units. Kaya mula kay focus, gagalaw tayo ng 4 units sa taas tsaka sa baba. So we have 1, 2, 3, and then, eto na yung point ng ating unang LR. This is LR1. Then same, meron din tayong 4 units pababa mula kay focus. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Kaya eto naman yung ating pangalawang LR. This is our LR2. Ngayong nakuha na natin si vertex at yung dalawang LR, pwede na natin i-connect yung ating points para makabuo tayo ng ating parabola. And finally, ito na yung graph ng ating parabola with the equation of y squared is equal to 4 times 2 times x, or simply, y squared is equal to 8x. To summarize our parabola, yung distansya between our vertex and focus is simply equal to a, at ang a natin is simply 2, tapos yung focus natin ay matatagpuan kung saan nag-open yung ating parabola. At para naman dun sa ating LR, ang distansya between our LR and our focus is simply 2a. Again, ang a natin is 2, kaya this is 4. And meron tayong LR sa taas ni focus, and then meron tayong LR sa baba ng focus, which has the same distance of 2a. At kung pinapahanap din ng teacher nyo yung directrix, tumingin lang kayo sa opposite side ng ating parabola. Sumukat lang ulit kayo ng a, in our case 2, and then that is our shortest point. Ang a natin is 2, kaya umusod ako ng 2 dito sa likod ng ating parabola. Then kailangan na lang natin gumawa ng line na perpendicular sa ating principal axis na tumatama dun sa point sa likod ng ating parabola, that is a units from our vertex. And this is our directrix. And this is the process kung paano tayo magpa-plot ng isang parabola kapag given yung ating standard equation. Magpa-plot pa tayo ng graph ng ating parabola sa part 2 ng ating video.